Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Honor X7a. So in the first step we have to open the Google Photos app. If you don't have this app, you can download it from the Google Play Store, of course. Now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, and now click on the Google Lens icon, and whole process starting automatically, and now we are looking for similar or the same images in the Google database. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.